Hi, welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Now we see the project plagiarism detection mechanism using SHAPD2 algorithm, efficiency in plagiarism detection task. Now we see the abstract. Plagiarism refers to the uses of someone's data, language and writing without proper acknowledgement of the original source. Plagiarism of another author's original work is one of the biggest problems in publishing, science and education. Plagiarism can be of different types. It represents different approaches for measuring semantic similarity between words and their meanings. In this paper, natural language processing focuses on plagiarism detection, applying semantic network and semantic compressions. The results demonstrate that the semantic compressions is a valuable addition to the existing method used in plagiarism detection. The applications of the semantic compressions boosts the energy of sentence hashing algorithm for plagiarism detection too, that is SHAPD2. Existing systems are based on the traditional approach for the detecting plagiarisms. Traditional method focus on text matching according to the keywords but fail to detect intelligent plagiarisms using semantic web. We have suggested new strategy for detecting the plagiarisms in the user document using the semantic web. In the paper, we have proposed architecture and algorithm to better detections of copy case using semantic web search. It can improve the performance of copy case detection systems. It analyzes the user's document. Now we see the data flow diagram. Data flow diagram is a flow of a project's status, which is a symbolic representation of the project. In this data flow diagram, we used ellipsis symbols are indicated as a start and terminations of the project. Rectangle symbols are indicated as the status of the project. Diamond symbols are indicated to check the condition whether it is true or false. Arrow are represented as the flow of a project. Now our project's content to start, which is indicated the ellipse symbol. Now we have moved to select the file format. In this file format, we can compare .pdf, .ex, .docx, and etc. Insert the files, which is our original content compared to the another files. Extract the inserted files, then remove the stop words, store it to the repository, then clustering the files. After cluster, we have to reduce the content. Then we have to calculate the similarity values using edit distance formula in the sentence hashing algorithm, which is based on the Leverstein's similarity values. We have to find the similarity values of the extracted contents, which is greater than 0.5, that is the values are false, then result depend on the similarity values. If it is true, content not same, otherwise the project is going to stop. Now we see the implementation of the plagiarism detection. This is our home page. We have to click home.java, which is the source file, to be selected to run first, which is will be open this window. Now click next to move to the next pages. Here we have to select which file we want to do. We select as a .pdf format. Select the file, which is choose the file which to be compared to the another software. Here we have to select the swarm.pdf. Now we press extract to read the content of these files, which is shown in the text area. Now we process, which we move to remove the stop words. Then after removing the stop words, those are the original content will be stored on the database, which is successfully inserted into our database. Now we process. Here we have to select another file which is compared to a group of files. Now we browse, select the data set file where we have to place it. Now these are our PDF files. This will be compared to our original content. Extraction in this process, same what are the contents are presented in the PDF files which will be read into print displayed. Next, move to proceed. Same process again, remove the stop words. Here we have to show the number of files as a PDF files as our original content are to be displayed. Now store the stop words. Each are stored in separated files into our database. Data is successfully inserted into database. Now we have to move the process. In this process we have to clustering the data, which means each data will be each file formatter will be clustered. For example, our original content with the comparable files are as a one cluster, another files also another cluster. We have then number of files are compared to our original source. Each is considered as a clustering files. Now we click cluster, which is our original file documented. Removed stop words. It is compared document stop words. Now reduce. We have to reduce the content. Original document. Now we have to find the similarity value in which data files are compared to our original content. For similarity values, here we have to calculate the edit distance similarity value. Original document and comparative document are same. It will show as a similarity value 1. Otherwise, it will be presented on the number of files here. This is our original comparable document. This is comparable document. Then proceed to next window. Here we have to calculate the result which file. In comparable document, each file name, these three files are our comparative document of our original files, which is ontology.pdf similarity values are 0.097, then fact.pdf files are 0.092, then swam.pdf is 1. Here we have to find out the final result. What is the answer of our logarithm software deduction? Our original content is form.pdf, then the data set files is also the content, same content, so which is 100% same for this similarity. Other two files are not similar content. Now our goal of to do this project, we have to find the exact results. Now we conclude our project. It will be shown 100% result whether our original content are similar to the comparable document, which is very helpful to the research oriented process, whether the content or copy from various files or it's shown as the original content. Thank you for watching.